On behalf of the Prime Minister and the government of St. Lucia, I take this opportunity to wish all St. Lucians a happy 40th Independence Anniversary. The theme of this year's celebration, All In, Our Journey, Our Future, highlights the need for us to all contribute, no matter how small, to the development of our country. I believe the all-in theme stretches even further to reach beyond the borders of St. Lucia, and today call on the Eastern Caribbean to recognize that we are all in this together. For St. Lucia, Independence Day on February 22nd is an occasion to celebrate our homeland, patriotism, and of course, the freedoms we enjoy. But the day also serves as a reminder of the sacrifices which came along with it. In 1979, independence for St. Lucia was not without its internal struggles. Today, however, the celebrations in the streets and the flag flying high are testimony that what unites us is far greater than what divides us. Independence Day also causes us to question where we are as a country and whether after 40 years we are truly where we should be. Historically, we have had much to celebrate and to be proud of. Our achievements as a small island developing state navigating the treacherous global waters and remaining afloat must never be underestimated. Year after year, we also celebrate the achievements of individual St. Lucians who have risen to prominence at the regional and international levels in so many diverse areas. We have a rich legacy of excellence that we must all take pride in and use as motivation to realize our future aspirations and dreams. As I mentioned, our 40th anniversary also provides us an opportunity for reflection and introspection. When we look at the achievements of St. Lucia, we must consider what has been our individual contribution to our country. Are we doing all we can in our circumstances to lift ourselves up and in turn contribute to national development? And so now, I come to your role at the Organization of Eastern Caribbean States Secretariat. The journey of St. Lucia is not fully told without looking at our country's role in the OECS. In fact, a few years after St. Lucia attained her own independence, the smaller islands of the Caribbean came to the realization that there is truly strength in numbers, and in 1981, 7 Eastern Caribbean countries signed a treaty agreeing to cooperate with each other and promote unity in what became known as the Treaty of Baste. So even then, although every leader was different, we understood the commonalities that bound us when it came to development. In 2010, we took it a step further by moving towards creating an economic union with the revised treaty, which was signed on the 18th of June 2010 in St. Lucia. I have no reservations in stating boldly that since the establishment of the OECS, St. Lucia has been an exemplary member. We may not always agree as nations, but St. Lucia has never been afraid to express a contrary view or challenge the OECS to meet its mandate. Our leadership in the OECS continued with the appointment in 2017 of Prime Minister Chasney as the chairman of the OECS. In fact, your Director General explained that Prime Minister Chasney's tenure as chairman included an aggressive advocacy on the interconnection between climate diplomacy, economic resilience, and battles against unilateral discriminatory regimes imposed by the developed economies. Shortly into his tenure, Prime Minister Chasney also had a baptism by fire with the devastation caused by Hurricane Irma and Maria. Our Prime Minister had to ensure there was that responsiveness and solidarity among member states and to come to the immediate aid of our brothers and sisters in the other islands. When it comes to the OECS, often what we see is only the leaders of our countries. However, we know that the achievements of the region's leaders and the countries of the OECS would not be possible without the work of people such as yourselves. Part of your purpose as the Secretariat is to monitor and evaluate the implementation, performance, and progress towards the OECS. What we are facing now is the reality that even as we try to become more united, the world around us is further dividing itself. This is an opportunity for us to strengthen our resolve and move even more speedily to achieving our goals so we become that example for the world. The Director General and staff of the OECS Secretariat have a significant role to play in ensuring that we deliver on this mandate. So I challenge you on this our 40th anniversary to embrace your role and to rededicate yourselves to the mission. You are the foundation on which we can build a more united St. Lucia and a stronger OECS. Once again, on behalf of the government of St. Lucia, I wish you much success in your independence celebration, and I wish you a happy independence. I thank you.